Hello everyone, in my previous video I just explained about the decimals, place value chart, how we can find the place value, expanded form and the short form. Now today we are working on the operations of the decimal numbers, right? So let's start with the first question, addition. In this addition they have given 3 decimal numbers and they are asking to add these numbers. Students from class 3rd, you are adding decimal numbers, but sometimes you get confused and you arrange the numbers incorrectly, which leads to the incorrect answer. So the most important thing is to arrange the number correctly so that we can increase the accuracy. Clear? To arrange the number accurately, firstly we will change these decimal numbers into the like decimals. ताकि हमसे अरेंजमेंट में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, हम क्या करेंगे, पहले इन नंबर्स को जो हमें ऐड करने हैं वी विल चेंज देम इन दी लाइक डेसिमल्स. व्हाट वाज लाइक डेसिमल्स? लाइक डेसिमल्स में यही था, फर्स्टली वी विल चेक द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स आफ्टर डेसिमल. इसमें आफ्टर डेसिमल कितने नंबर्स हैं, कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 3. In this number after decimal we have 1 digit. In this number after decimal we have 2 digits. So maximum number of digits are 3. So in all the numbers after decimal we will make 3 digits, right? This is called like decimals. So let's see how we will do it. Firstly write the numbers 6.75 plus you are adding them now 4.3 plus 2.913. Now you want to make 3 digits after decimal. Here we have 1, 2. So put 1 0 here. Here we have only 1 digit after decimal. So you will put 2 zeros now. Right? This number already have 3 digits after decimal. Now in all these numbers we have 3 digits after decimal. That means these numbers are like decimals. Now we will arrange them. While arranging them, firstly write the first number 6.750. Then second number decimal. Before decimal at ones place 4. After decimal 300. Next number decimal before decimal at ones place 2. After decimal 913. Now we have arranged all these numbers properly. Now add them. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 3 10 plus 9 19. Now you have 19. At a time you will write only 1 digit. This 1 will be carry forward to this, right? Decimal below the decimal 6 plus 4 10 plus 2 12 plus 1 13. Now at the end you will write the whole number 13, right? So what is your answer now? Your answer is 13.963. Now the second part is 0.872, 3.46, 4.009, 4.17. Firstly, what will you do? You will make all these numbers like decimals, right? After decimals you will make equal number of digits, right? In this we have 3 digits after decimal. In this we have 2 digits after decimal. In this we have 3 digits after decimal. In this we have 2 digits after decimal. So maximum digits after decimal are 3. So in all these numbers after decimal we will make 3 digits. Firstly write the numbers 0.872 plus 3.46 plus 4.009 plus 4.17. Now we have 3 digits after decimal in this number, so no need to put 0. In this number we have 2 digits, so 2 में एक और 0 लगा देंगे, then it will become 3 digits after decimal. In this we already have 3 digits after decimal. We have 2 digits after decimal, so put 1 0. Now in all these numbers we have 3 digits after decimal. It means these numbers are like decimals. Now arrange them in the column. Write the first number 0.872. Second number decimal point below the decimal point. Before decimal 3, after decimal 4, 6, 0. Third number, decimal point below the decimal point. 4 is before the decimal, after decimal 0, 0, 9. Decimal point below the decimal, before decimal 4 and after decimal is 1, 7, 0. Now add them. 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 carry forward. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 2 carry forward. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1, 15, 1 carry forward. Decimal below the decimal point, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. So what is your answer? Your answer is 12.511. Now the next part, we have 4 numbers now. This is 26.23, then 4, then 0.003, then 9.01. Firstly count the decimal places. It means the digits after decimal. In first number we have 2 decimal places. In this we don't have. This is the whole number. So in this number we don't have any digit after decimal. In this number 3 digits after decimal. In this number 2 digits after decimal. So maximum number of digits after decimal are 3. सबसे ज़्यादा digits किस में है? इसी में है. Now you will make all these numbers like decimals, and to make like decimals you will make equal number of digits after decimal. How many digits should be there? 3, right? Firstly write the number 26.23 plus 4 plus 0.003 plus 9.01. You want to make 3 digits after decimal. Here we have 2 digits. So put 1 0. This is the whole number. We don't have any digit after decimal. So what will you do? Put decimal. And how many digits you want after decimal? 3. So put 3 zeros. In this we already have 3 digits after decimal. In this we have 2 digits after decimal. So put 1 0. Clear? Now all the numbers have 3 digits after decimal. That means these decimal numbers are like decimals. Now arrange them in the proper column. 26.230. Second number is decimal below the decimal. Student, this 4 is at ones place. So ones place पर लिखेंगे. You will not write here because this is the tens place. After decimal 0 0 0. Next number, decimal point below the decimal point. Before decimal 0, after decimal 0 0 3. Decimal point below the decimal point. Before decimal 9. And after decimal 0 1 0. Add them. 0 plus 3 is 3. When we add 0 in any number, what do you get? Same number, right? This is the property of 0. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 0, 2. Decimal below the decimal point. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 9, 19. 1 carry forward. 2 plus 1 is 3. So what you are getting now? You are getting 39.243, which is your answer. Now next we do how we will subtract the decimal numbers. They are asking to subtract this number from this. From का मतलब ही होता है कि next number में से first number को subtract करना है. That means you will subtract from this number 17.589 में से subtract करना है 6.473. Firstly check the number of digits after decimal point. जैसे एडिशन में किया था, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में आप पहले लाइक डेसिमल में चेंज करेंगे. मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन में ये रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होता, सिर्फ एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन में ही आप लाइक डेसिमल में चेंज करेंगे. क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर डेसिमल वी हैव 3 digits in this number, and in this number also we have 3 digits. That means these numbers are already like decimals. So simply arrange them in column and subtract. Write the first number, second number, decimal below the decimal point, before decimal 6, after decimal 473. Subtract them. 9 minus 3 6, 8 minus 7 1, 5 minus 4 1, decimal below the decimal point. 7 minus 6, 1, 1. What is your answer? 11.116, right? Next part, subtract this 0.376 from 1. From 1 बोला है ना, इट मीन्स 1 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है किसको? 0.376. Check the decimal places. This is the whole number. We don't have decimal point or the decimal place here. In this number we have 3 digits after decimal. So what will you do? You will put decimal, and after decimal how many digits you want? You want 3 digits. So put 3 zeros. Now in both the numbers we have 3 digits after decimal. Arrange them in the column. 1.000. Next number, decimal point below the decimal point, 0 before the decimal, and 376 after decimal. Subtract them. 0 minus 6 not possible. You cannot take borrow from these zeros. So take borrow from this one. 0, 10, 9, 10, 9, and then 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 3, 6. Decimal point below the decimal point, 0. So what you are getting? You are getting 0.624, or you can say 0.624. Clear? Next number is subtract this from this. इसमें से subtract करना है 1.1 में से subtract करना है किसको? 0.011. Firstly, count the number of digits after decimal. In first number you have 1 digit. In next number, the number which you are subtracting have 3 digits after decimal. So after decimal maximum digits कितने हैं? 3. So after decimal आप 3 digits ही बनाएंगे. How will you make it? You will put 2 zeros here. Now after decimal, this number has 3 digits and this number also have 3 digits. It means both the numbers are like decimal. Now simply arrange them and subtract. Second number is decimal. Before decimal 0, after decimal 0, 1, 1. Subtract. 0 minus 1 not possible. Take borrow from this. 0, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 0 minus 0, 0. Decimal point 1 minus 0, 1. So the answer is 1.089. Next is simplification. This is quite similar to the addition or subtraction. So in addition and subtraction of decimal numbers, what do we do? Firstly, we make all the decimal numbers like decimals. Like decimal means after decimal same number of digits should be there, right? So maximum digits after decimal is 3. So after decimal we will make 3 digits in all these numbers. Make it. Write the first number 4.105 plus 2.37 minus 5.2. Make 3 digits after decimal. In this number we already have 3 digits. 2 digits, put 1 0. 1 digit, put 2 zeros. Now in all the numbers we have 3 digits after decimal. Now you will simply calculate it. According to board mass, what do we do first? Firstly, we do addition. So these are of same sign. Add them. 4.105, 2.370. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. Decimal below the decimal, 4 plus 2, 6. Now the next step is, from this resultant what will you do? You will subtract the third number. यही था ना, first 2 को add करना है, then third को subtract करना है. First 2 को आपने add किया. Now इस resultant में से you will subtract the third number. Third number is 5.200. Subtract it. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 0, 7. 4 minus 2, 2. Decimal point 6 minus 5, 1. So the final answer is 1.275. Clear? Let's do the one more part. 100 minus 3.067 minus 33.0689 minus 21.2. First step is make all the numbers like decimals. So make it, write the numbers first. 100 minus 3.067 minus 33.0689 minus 21.2. After decimal, maximum digits are 4. So in all the numbers after decimal, we will make 4 digits. This is the whole number. We don't have decimal point, so put decimal point and put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this number, we already have 3 decimal places, so put 1 0. Now we have 4 digits after decimal. In this number, 1 digit we already have, so put 3 zeros. Now you can simplify it, right? Students, for simplification you have 2 method. आपके पास 2 method है. First क्या करो, 100 में से this number में से इसको subtract करो, फिर जो आंसर आए उसमें से इसको subtract करो, फिर जो आंसर आए उसमें से इसको subtract करो. But in integers you have studied that we add the numbers having similar sign. इंटीजर चैप्टर में आपने पढ़ा है जिन भी नंबर्स के सिमिलर साइन होते हैं वो नंबर्स क्या हो जाते हैं, ऐड हो जाते हैं. दिस नंबर, दिस नंबर, दिस नंबर, ऑल दीज 3 नंबर्स हैव सिमिलर साइन. तीनों में ही माइनस साइन है. सो दीज नंबर्स विल बी एडेड and according to bod mass, what do? We add first, right? So firstly we will add them. 3.0670. Next number is before decimal 33, after decimal 0689. Next decimal below the decimal point, before decimal 21, after decimal 2000. Now add them. 9, 8 plus 7 15, 6 plus 6 12 plus 1 13, 2 plus 1 3, decimal point 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7, 3 plus 2 5. Now write this 100.0000 minus, after adding these 3 numbers, what you are getting? 57.3359. Now what is the next step? Subtract these 2 numbers. 100.0000, decimal point before decimal 57, after decimal 3359. Subtract them. 0 minus 9 not possible. Take borrow from this. 9 10 9 10 9 10 9 10 9 10. 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 5 4. 9 minus 3 6. 9 minus 3 6. Decimal below the decimal point. 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 5 4. So your final answer is 42.6641, right? Next is question number 4. Subtract the difference of these 2 numbers. इन 2 numbers का difference निकालना है और उसको क्या करना है, subtract करना है. किस में से? The sum of these 2 numbers. What will you do here? Firstly you will find the difference of these 2 numbers, then the sum of these 2 numbers, and at the end you will subtract them. So the first step is the difference of these 2 numbers. While finding the difference, what do? You subtract the smaller number from the greater number. ठीक है, इनका difference निकालना है ना. So the greater number is this. Why? Because integral part, यहाँ पर whole number part check करते हैं ना पहले. Integral part is 53, यहाँ पर integral part क्या है 43. So this one is greater. आपको subtract करना है 53.9 में से 43.875. Firstly, what will you do here? You will make them like decimals. So after decimal there is 3 digits, so put 2 zeros here. Now subtract them. 53.900, 43.875. Take borrow. 10 9 10. 10 minus 5 5. 9 minus 7 2. 8 minus 8 0. 3 minus 3 0. 5 minus 4 1. So first step you have completed. Now do the second step. Add these two numbers, 29.358 and add करना है आपको 2.3023. Again make them like decimals. There are 4 digits after decimal, so put 1 0 in this number. Now add them, 29.3580. Second number is 2.3023. Add them. 0 plus 3 is 3, 8 plus 2 10, 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 3 6, 0.9 plus 2 11, 2 plus 1 3. So after adding these two numbers you are getting 31.6603. Now 2 steps we have completed. We found the difference of these two numbers in addition of these two numbers. What were they asking? Subtract the difference. Difference को subtract करना है from the sum. Sum is this. Sum में से 31, this is the third step. Sum में से 31.6603 में से subtract करना है 10.025. For subtracting, what will you do here? You will make them like decimals. There are 4 digits after decimal, so put 1 0 in this number. Now in both the numbers have 4 digits after decimal. Arrange them in column and simply subtract. 31.6603, 10.0250. 3 minus 0, 3, take borrow. 10 minus 5, 5, 5 minus 2, 3, 6 minus 0, 6, decimal below the decimal point, 1 minus 0, 1, 3 minus 1, 2. What is your final answer? Final answer is 21.6353. Very simple. Students, for adding or subtracting decimal numbers accurately, just you need to remember one point, that always make the given numbers like decimals. Right? After decimal, there should be same number of digits. Then you can simply arrange them and add them. Clear? Now, in next class, we will do multiplication and division. Till then, practice as much as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.